Okay, kids, here's the plan. This is 2 scale. Each little square is 2/10 of an inch. This is going to be the center line of the bullet mold. And I used this ingenious technique called spacing to cleverly space 6 cavities in this mold. You can see the left side here. This is our reference for the x-axis, and this is our y-axis reference here, this edge. And you can see how far in these different holes are going to be drilled, or whatever, drilled, whatever you want to call it. And this is 0.683 is the distance to the parting line. Because the mold's already in 2 pieces. I measured it. And I measured it in a bunch of different places, and it's always 683. So that's awesome. So this is looking at it from the end. This is what our bullet cavity is going to look like. All right. It's 0.84 inches deep. We're going to take a 16th inch drill bit and we're going to plunger in 0.82. And followed by that, a 13/64, probably more like 0.42. I think I backed off that number a little bit. And that's, damn you, that's because the cutter, there we go. The cutter I've got really isn't much of a drilling tool. It's pretty primitive, so it's better to get as much meat out as you can with a real cutting tool. And these things, these dark bars here, they represent the locating pins. So let's get started. Okay, kids, got her mounted up in the chuck, zeroed everything out. Say I want to make this seem really easy for you guys. Okay? Don't want to stress you out or anything like that. 1.05, 0.683, z-axis is zeroed. I know it says that because I'm not on the surface. It'll be 0 when I touch it. And gonna go 0.82 deep. There's our 683, our 105. Look at that, just like freaking magic. Let's just go down and touch this. Oh, look at that. There we go. Look at that. Awesome. Okay. Turn this knob. That's all you gotta do. Just turn this thing up. Just give her hell. Pull this thing down. Let her eat. That's all there is to it. I'm gonna drill all 6 of those and then get back to you. Okay, I cheated. That little 16th of inch drill bit, I noticed on the second hole it was walking when I put it in. I don't know if it did it on the first. I really hope not. If it did, that hole is fucked. But so I went and got the that next biggest size. What was it? It was 13/64, and I went and drilled them out. So didn't do the 16th inch, but I saved one for you. You can start beating your meat now. Here we go. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, going down to minus 0.42. Oh yeah, look at that go. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And for the finish, and close enough. There we go. Okay. Take my favorite toothbrush, and there we go. Look at that. So I'll get the vacuum, and I'll succulate those holes, and then yeah, then we'll put the cutting tool in there and see what the hell happens. Okay, I got the other thing in there with this thing. My faithful assistant at the ready. Back over hole number 1. And we are going to turn this thing on. And we are going to give it some lunch. Nice and easy, though. In and out. Not real fast either. So here we go. And, oh yeah. Ooh, a lot of squeaking going on there. I got to see what the hell the dog's barking at. Okay, I think that went okay. I'm not 100% sure, but near as I can tell, it looks all right. Come on. Turn the damn light on. There we go. There we go. I can't see that, like, it got off track down there. Looks like it went right to the very tippy end, so I think I got lucky. And I don't have that pilot hole on these, so I just gotta ram her on in there and hope for the best. See how that goes. Look at that. Okay, we got them holes all banged out, but we got to come back over the top because of that little ridge that got raised, and our zero check at the end is 0. Awesome. So our dips should be spot on. Okay, kids, got the fly cutter in there. I got her set to take off 4.5 thousandths, but that's never quite what happens. So let's just see what the hell this bitch does. All right, let's feed her the onions. Oh yeah. I'll tell you what she's doing. Let's do it a little bit. Let's let her go. Let's speed her up a little bit.